We all have them somewhere on our bodies, or sometimes even in our minds and hearts. Did you know that scars have consistently been proven to cause disturbance to proper functioning of the autonomic nervous system? Research has demonstrated that any area of the skin with a scar may have abnormal nerve function. Even years after the original injury, these scars can suddenly become active again, making them accumulate and randomly discharge nerve electricity, ultimately confusing the nervous system and anything in the body it affects, which, as we know, is everything. According to the Journal of the American Medical Association, scarring can have far-reaching consequences, affecting patients physically, psychologically, and socially, especially since scars can be a lasting reminder of a traumatic event. Scars can affect the way people perceive themselves, the way others perceive them, and possibly lead to feelings of anxiety and depression. Scar tightening can result in pain, itching, numbness, changes in skin texture and color, and can restrict movement in muscles, tendons, or ligaments, which causes referring pain to other areas of the body. And most importantly, from an acupuncturist perspective, the disruption or blockage from scarring can cause physical and energetic pathology or disease to not only the local affected area, but to the external and internal meridian pathways or the energetic channels that nourish and support our body's organ system. Very often, scars can be the unsuspected key to the successful resolution of chronic, persistent, or intractable conditions like headaches, digestive issues, anxiety, thyroid disorders, hormone problems, frozen shoulder, and many other issues that you might never suspect were related to a seemingly irrelevant scar. Now, of course, not all scars will cause problems. Many are superficial or heal in such a way that it doesn't cause blockages in the body. But it is important to know and for you to remember that there is no scar too insignificant or too old to show to your acupuncturist. The treatment of scars in Eastern medicine has a long history, and reference is made to methods for treating scars as far back as almost 2,500 years ago in the Huangdi Neijing, or the Yellow Emperor's Inner Classic, one of the most important ancient texts in Chinese medicine. And today there's a growing body of research, evidence supported by randomized controlled trials, that demonstrates the effectiveness of acupuncture on decreasing scar-related pain, improving wound healing time, tissue mobility, and scar appearance. So you have a scar that is maybe causing problems. So what happens next? There are a number of ways that scars can be treated to remove the electrical misfirings and blockages that are causing disruption to your body. Your treatment might include the use of topical liniments or plasters, moxibustion, or the application of heat and smoke from the burning of dried medicinal herbs, or maybe cupping or gua sha to increase circulation and soften adhesions. Or, of course, acupuncture techniques, including one called surrounding the dragon, to help stimulate healing and rebalance the nervous system. Also, one of my most favorite treatments for scars is point injection therapy, which is a more recent innovation of traditional acupuncture. This integrative therapy blends the best of Eastern medicine with conventional and homeopathic medicine. A very small amount of sterile, botanical, homeopathic, or other natural substance is injected into the scar to help break down the fibrous tissue and encourage nerve healing. Now, I have seen great results with any combination of these techniques. So if you have scars that cause you pain or sorrow or any chronic condition that no one can quite help you figure out, I encourage you to go see your acupuncturist and be sure to show off all your beautiful scars so that together you can get to the bottom of the problem. And if you'd like to know more, take a look at any of these resources for additional information.